never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Oh gosh, please excuse the way I look a mess. I know it's Sunday, early Sunday afternoon, right? I'm just looking about my pot. Oh, I'm so ticked off right now, yeah, so ticked off. You know why? Woke up this morning, boiled my peas cooked from early, right? Good. Seasoned up my chicken, all good. So I'm doing some stew chicken today, right? But I'm not using a browning. I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way. I'm going to use some sugar, burn the sugar. You guys know the way, you know, you burn the sugar, brown up your chicken. Good. Burn my brown sugar now. Put my chicken in the oil and the brown sugar. Gas done. Gas is finished. You know, when gas is finished, there's no flame, there's no fire. Can't cook my pot. You know when you just feel like, I just feel so fed up because I feel like I've been up all morning. You know, usual Sunday. You know, seasoning chicken and making that soaking, make the seasoning soaking, and boiling peas, and I'm hot and bothered. Look at me, hot and bothered, and washed clothes early this morning, and all for the gas to done. Now if Outlaw was here, would have just gone to the shop and got a gas. You can get them delivered, but we don't have no delivery man number, alright? Because he usually just goes to the corner shop and buy the gas. Outlaw's at work. I just called him and said, listen, gas is done, I ain't cooking. I'm not cooking. He's talking about, oh, when he comes in later, he can bring gas in. No. It's like, I don't even know what time it is. 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock right now, something like that. He's not going to come home till, I don't know what time, maybe 5, 6. 1, I don't cook late on a Sunday. I do not cook late on a Sunday. We eat our dinner by like 2 o'clock on a Sunday. 2, 3 o'clock, yeah? So ain't nobody cooking at 5, 6 o'clock on a Sunday. Not me anyway. No. So I've just abandoned the pot, and you know what? I'll have to do something with it, maybe tomorrow or something. But I'm so peed off, so peed off. And you know what? The gas always runs out on a Sunday. Now our gas is so unpredictable. Our gas could last for 1 month, it could last for 2 months, it could last for 3 months. Just depends, right? And like, it's kind of, I don't know the warning sign, guys. Is there a warning sign for when the gas is going to run out? Like, how do you know? I just see the flame just going smaller and smaller and smaller. Gas done. No fire, can't cook anything. So you know what? It's Sunday. We're gonna have to break the rules. You know, Sunday, us as people, we like to cook our Sunday dinner. We don't do takeaway on a Sunday. But you know what? We're gonna have to find something to buy to eat today, because I am not cooking at no 5, 6 o'clock when Outlaw comes in with gas. No sir. So guys, that's my little rant. It's big Sunday. Big Sunday in the day, afternoon. Big Sunday in the afternoon. My gas is run out. I don't have enough fire to finish cooking my food, and I'm just annoyed. I'm ticked off. And you know what I'm gonna do? Go sit down under the cool breeze and chill out. That's what I'm gonna do because I'm really stressed. Anyway, people, that's my little dying trials today. Anyway, I hope your Sunday is doing a lot better. I hope you haven't run out of gas. Well, it won't apply if you're in America, Canada, England. If you're in Jamaica, yeah. But what it has made me realise, we always need to have extra gas. Like, we always just need to have extra gas cylinder, because this running out of gas on a Sunday. Always on a Sunday when I'm cooking Sunday dinner, it runs out. Anyway. Whew. Deezer, breathe. Yeah. Anyway, people, that's my little rant. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So it's Tuesday morning today. This is what I'm having for my breakfast today. Smoothie. So in here I've got berries, strawberries. They're frozen. Frozen berries, strawberries. And then I cut up fresh papaya, which I put in there and froze. Pineapple, fresh one, which I cut up and froze. And also in here is bananas. Yeah, bananas. So strawberries, berries, bananas, papaya, pineapple. And I'm gonna use almond milk with it. So that's what I'm having this morning for breakfast. Yeah. I'm gonna blend that up now. So as you would have seen a short while ago, my gas finished a few days ago. So that was Sunday, in the middle of Sunday dinner. It's guys, I can't even keep up the days. It's Tuesday today. It's Tuesday today. I have gas. We have gas, so I'm going to be cooking this evening, and I'm doing one of my favorites, saltfish and baked bean. One of my favorites. Yeah, with yam and banana. And it's just it's quick cook, isn't it? It's just quick to do, tastes good, everybody loves it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Yam and banana with saltfish and baked bean. Alright, so I've got banana from the tree in the garden. I've got yam. This is a lot of yam. This is about maybe £3 of yam. I don't need to use so much, maybe I use half of it. Yeah. Of course I've got baked bean. I've got the saltfish, which has already been soaked and shredded, and then I've got my seasonings. I've got onion, sweet pepper, I've got tomato, and I've got a small hot pepper, scotch bonnet. Yeah. Scotch bonnet. Obviously you have to be careful with this. It's only small, but you know it packs packs a bit away. So I just cut it all off the thing and just leave the seeds, and just, you know, you have to be careful with this. Wash your hands good after. As you know, Scotch bonnet is not normal. Yeah. Alright, so that's all my fresh seasonings. So onion, tomato, bell pepper, and a little Scotch bonnet. So I'm gonna, I don't even know, is it saute or soften? Yeah, we say fry them off, but yeah. I'm gonna do that, that's the next step. Alright guys, so I've just heated up a little bit of oil, just a little bit, not too much. We don't need to be drenching our food in oil like first time. You know, when we know better, we do better, right? So there's all my dry seasonings in there. Just gonna soften these down, and then once that's softened enough, add the rest of the things, the saltfish and baked bean. Alright people, I'm gonna add in the saltfish. Please forgive me because I'm holding the camera with one hand and doing this. I do have the tripod on this, but yeah. I'll just mix that in. Added in the baked bean. Guys, it wouldn't be a Caribbean household if I didn't do this, right? So the tin that I used here, just emptied it. You got to get all this little juice out, right? So you know, you just take the lid off. So you know you have to just tip a little bit of water. Helps to bring up the gravy, right? And you know you got to do a little mix. You understand? Yeah. Ooh. Mix. And pour that in there. We don't waste it. Look in there. We don't waste none of that. That has to go in there. Yes. The only thing missing from this now is a little black pepper. I'm going to put a little black pepper and then just make it, you know, cook down a little bit. Yeah. Alright, put a little black pepper. Just a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Alright people, this is about ready. It's bubbling up a little bit. Yeah, that's good now. Alright guys, dinner's done. I'm eating mine because the others haven't come in yet. I only take a little bit of yam. The yam is soft. The banana is soft, so should I say. Small bananas but soft. I don't like them tough. Little yam and yeah. That's me.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.